Hello everybody, this is Chilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some newly launched serum from Pilgrim. So these are the Skin Clarifying Serum, Brightening Serum, Lift and Firm Serum, Anti-Acne Serum, and Advanced Hair Growth Serum. These serums from Pilgrim are part of their Jeju Island Secret Korea range, and the goodness of these serums lie in the ingredients that has been picked from Jeju Island, Korea, but all the products are made in India. So Pilgrim is a global brand that takes beauty secrets of the entire world. So the idea is global beauty standards, which is made in India. Beauty products of Pilgrim are conceptualized from beauty traditions across the globe. So this particular range is idealized from Jeju Island, Korea, but all the products are made in India. So recently when Pilgrim has launched these 5 serums in total, out of which I have been using the Skin Clarifying Serum because for the reason that I have got some blemish marks. So I wanted to get rid of this blemish marks, and I've started using this serum. So this is how the packaging looks like. And once you open the packaging, this is the serum you get. The packaging is very beautiful, very classy. Look at the rich color. So it comes with a dropper. It's a clear serum. This is how the texture is. So this is how it is. Once you tap it, first it gives a little sticky feeling, but then very fast it gets absorbed into the skin, leaving the skin very hydrated. And after a few uses, you can see the difference, that how radiant it makes the skin. Along with this serum, I have also been using Volcanic Lava Face Wash and White Lotus Day Cream. It has SPF 50. I'm going to talk about all the products now. Firstly, and the most important, is this serum. This Skin Clarifying Serum has niacinamide and alpha-arbutin, and it has camellia. Niacinamide works wonders on blemish marks, dark spots and pigmentation, and helps in giving a uniform and even complexion, while arbutin promotes brightening of skin. Inclusion of camellia helps in preventing acne growth. So these are the key ingredients that Skin Clarifying Serum from Pilgrim has. Pilgrim Volcanic Lava Ash Face Wash gives pollution-proof skin, deep cleanses pores and prevents acne. Priced at Rs 345 for 100 ml, the key ingredients are volcanic lava ash that fights pollution dust grime, yugdugu that reduces pigmentation, and white lotus that provides brighter complexion. Pilgrim Skin Clarifying Serum is priced at Rs 650 for 30 ml. It prevents future breakouts, brightens skin, and reduces the appearance of acne scars and pits. Niacinamide reduces pigmentation, maintains skin barrier, has anti-aging and brightening properties. Natural alpha-arbutin brightens and enhances skin, reduces hyperpigmentation, keeps dark spots at bay. While camellia retains natural moisture, promotes collagen production, fights environmental damage. Pilgrim White Lotus Day Cream improves complexion, reduces wrinkles and fine lines, and fights pigmentation. Priced at Rs 500 for 100 grams, this cream has white lotus that provides brighter complexion, camellia that fights environmental damage, and yugdugu that fights signs of aging. All Pilgrim products are made in India and are 100% vegan, cruelty-free and FDA approved. They're sulfate, paraben and cruelty-free, suitable for all skin or hair types, suitable for both men and women, and are made in India. All the ingredients are mentioned along with their sources on their website. This is all about the newly launched Skin Clarifying Serum from Discovered Pilgrim, and also the other products that are available there. You can go to www.pilgrim.com and use my code YT15 to get flat 15% discount on all products. Yeah, so this is it. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.